Good morning, children. We'll continue with the lesson, that is lesson number 6, The King's Choice. Children, in this lesson, so far we have learned that Lion was the king of the forest. Lion was the king of the forest. He wanted to have some courtiers. That is, he wanted to have a court and he wanted to have proper member. For that, he has appointed leopard. He has appointed leopard, he has appointed crow, and he has appointed fox. Okay, these are the three animals that he has appointed. Leopard, because he is very swift moving and he is very fast. Okay, crow, because a crow can move to a long distance, and from a long distance she can bring message and pass message very easily. Okay, and fox, because fox are said to be very wise and very clever animal. That's why he has appointed these three animals as the member of the court, and he has given them oath also. So children, as the story begin, one day Crow said to Lion that, "Your Majesty, have you ever tasted camel's meat?" Okay, so they were talking about camel, and Lion was living in a forest, so he has never seen a camel. Okay, he has never seen a camel. So children, the lion wanted to see the camel and wanted to taste also the camel's meat. Okay, so as the story move ahead, we come to know that they all planned, that is the lion, crow and fox, they planned that they should go to the desert area and there they will capture this camel, and after capturing this camel they will give the meat to the lion, and on contrary they will also enjoy the same thing. Okay children, so as the stories move ahead, they all went to a desert. You know what is the climate of the desert? It is very hot, it is dry, there are no trees. Okay children, there are no trees. So the lion went to the desert for the first time and he was totally exhausted. Why he was totally exhausted? Because it was hot, dry, there was no tree, means there was no shade. Okay, and the lion was very tired also. So he decided that I will sit in one corner, you all go and look for the camel and hunt a camel and bring the meat to me. So the lion decided that I will sit in one place and you all go and do the needful thing to me. So this was decided. They all went and they all were looking for a camel. But children, the lion's courtyard, that is the leopard, crow and fox, they were having a trick. They thought that the lion is dependent upon us. Let's teach lion a lesson. They have just tried to ignore the lion's command, the Majesty's command, and they were thinking that they will not try to find out any camel. They will just teach the lion a lesson because he has came in the desert for the first time. He don't know what is there in the desert. Okay, and they have first told that the desert is very far, very near to the forest, but actually the desert was very far from the forest. Okay, and one by one they all left the lion and they all move away. Okay, and they were not doing any kind of search for the camel. They were simply sitting and wasting their time. So lion was hungry and he was also getting very ferocious because of the heat. He was getting very annoyed by the heat and by the dryness of that particular place. So what happened? Children, after coming to a distance, okay, the lion said that I'll be waiting here, go and look for the camel. So they all went, but they were not able to find any camel. They come back and inform the same thing to the lion. Okay, so the lion decide that now let's go back from here, because the messenger also was not of any good help. So they decided that okay, fine, we'll go back to the forest, because it was the command of the lion that we will go back to the forest. So the lion was very adamant and he want to go back, and lion was getting hurt in the pout area, that is the means in the legs he was getting hurt, he got burned. Why burned? Because of the hot heat and because of the sand he got burned. Okay, so as children, he was not able to move any further. He was just sitting there and he was noticing all the things, that how these people are behaving, that in the forest they are all right, but once they have leave the forest, they think that I am of no use and I am not at all good for anything. That's why they are behaving like this. But they should always remember, a lion is a lion. Okay, and if he is the king, then for some valid reason he is being called as a king. So the king became angry and he decided to go back alone. So when he was going back alone, on the way he came across a big animal. Okay children, he came across a big animal, and that big animal was camel. The camel says that, oh king, what are you doing here? You are supposed to be in the forest. What are you doing in this hot desert? So lion said that I came here to hunt a camel. So the camel says that okay, don't worry, you are here to hunt me, you can hunt me if you want. But king, you know that I can carry loads from one place to another. I'll do one thing. I'll take you to jungle. Come and sit on my back. So the camel made lion sit on the back, and then the camel and the lion went back to the forest. And in the forest, lion said to camel that, dear camel, from now onwards you will be my best friend, and you have helped me in such a worse situation when others have left me. I came to hunt you, but you have only saved my life. Like this way, the camel and the lion, from that day onwards, they all became good friends. Now children, this lesson has given us and has taught us that the people whom we trust, sometimes they can betray us, they can cheat us, and sometimes some strangers can become a great help for us. So children, I am going to explain you the same thing in Hindi also. Children, इस लेसन में द किंग्स चॉइस इसलिए लिखा गया है क्योंकि पहले किंग की चॉइस थी लेपर्ड, क्रो एंड फॉक्स, फिर किंग की चॉइस चेंज हो गई कैमल में. ठीक है, इस लेसन में क्या होता है, जो लॉयन होता है वो जंगल का राजा होता है और वो कहता है कि मुझे अपना एक कोर्ट बनाना चाहिए, है ना. अगर मैं राजा हूँ तो मेरे पास एक प्रॉपर कोर्ट होना चाहिए और उसमें प्रॉपर लोग होने चाहिए जो मेरे लिए काम करें. तो इस तरीके से वो अपने कोर्ट पे लेपर्ड, क्रो और फॉक्स को बुलाता है. ठीक है, जब वो अपने क्रो में उसमें लेपर्ड, क्रो और फॉक्स को बुलाता है तो वो देखता है कि लेपर्ड की क्या खूबियां हैं. लेपर्ड की खूबियां है कि वो बहुत तेज दौड़ सकता है. क्रो की क्या खूबियां है, वो बहुत दूर उड़ सकती है, तो वो मेरा संदेश दूसरे जगह पहुंचा सकती है, दूसरे जगह से मेरे लिए इंफॉर्मेशन ला सकती है. फिर उसने बोला फॉक्स, क्योंकि फॉक्स एक वाइज और क्लेवर एनिमल कहा गया है. ठीक है, इसलिए वो सोचता है कि मैं इन तीनों को अपने साथ अपने कोर्ट में रखता हूँ. जब ये बात हुई, जब इन तीनों का अपॉइंटमेंट हुआ, तो ये लोग ने ओथ भी ली, शपथ भी ली कि मैं अब राजा के साथ पूरी ऑनेस्टी के साथ रहूंगी और इनका सारा कहा मानेंगे और हम इनकी सुरक्षा के लिए अपनी जान तक गंवाने में पीछे नहीं हटेंगे. ठीक है चिल्ड्रन, फिर एक दिन ये लोग डिसाइड करते हैं और लॉयन से बोलते हैं कि क्या आपने कभी कैमल का मीट खाया है, क्या आपने कभी कैमल को देखा है या उसका मीट खाया है. कैमल एक प्राणी है जो डेजर्ट में रहता है और लेपर्ड बोलता है डेजर्ट हमारे यहाँ से बहुत ज्यादा दूर नहीं है. ठीक है, इस तरीके से वो बात करता है और फिर वो लोग ये जगह छोड़ के दूसरी जगह जाते हैं. जब वो लोग दूसरी जगह जाते हैं, डेजर्ट की तरफ मुड़ते हैं, तो लॉयन को पता चलता है कि डेजर्ट है वो एक्चुअली बहुत ज्यादा दूर है, फॉरेस्ट के पास नहीं था, जबकि वो फॉरेस्ट से बहुत ज्यादा दूर था। एक तो डेजर्ट में बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी होती है, ड्राई होता है, वहां कोई पेड़ पौधे नहीं होते, और लॉयन को आदत नहीं थी इन सारी चीजों की, तो लॉयन बहुत ज्यादा थक जाता है। तो वो बोलता है कि जाओ क्रो, तुम देख कर आओ अगर तुम्हें कोई कैमल दिख रहा है। तो क्रो जाती है, देख कर आती है और कहती है कि मुझे कोई भी कैमल नहीं नजर आया। इस तरीके से लेपर्ड और फॉक्स भी करते हैं, और वो लोग एक्चुअली ये बताना चाह रहे थे लॉयन को कि हमारे बिना आप कुछ नहीं हो, जबकि ये सच नहीं है। लॉयन अगर जंगल का राजा कहा गया है तो किसी वैलिड रीजन की वजह से ही कहा गया होगा। ठीक है, तो काफी देर वो वहां पे रुकता है, काफी परेशान हो जाता है गर्मी में। थोड़ी देर के बाद फिर उसे एक बड़ा सा जानवर नजर आता है। वो जानवर कौन रहता है? वो जानवर रहता है कैमल। कैमल जब राजा के पास आता है और वो उससे बोलता है कि आप यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो इस डेजर्ट में, तो लॉयन बोलता है कि हम यहाँ पे कैमल को हंट करने आए थे, हम यहाँ कैमल का शिकार करने आए थे। कैमल बोलता है कि मैं ही कैमल हूँ, आप मेरा शिकार कर सकते हैं, मगर मैं आपकी एक मदद कर सकता हूँ, मैं आपको जंगल वापस भिजा सकता हूँ। मैं बहुत बड़े बड़े सामान और बहुत बड़े बड़े लोड को अपने ऊपर ले जाता हूँ और वहां तक छोड़ कर आता हूँ। ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से कैमल जो है वो लॉयन की मदद करता है और लॉयन को जंगल तक छोड़ कर आता है। उसके बाद जब लॉयन को छोड़ रहा होता है तब लॉयन कैमल से बोलता है कि आज से तुम मेरे अच्छे दोस्त रहोगे, और तुम्हें कभी भी किसी भी चीज की जरूरत पड़ेगी तो मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे लिए खड़ा रहूंगा और मैं तुम्हारी मदद करूंगा। इस पाठ से हमें यह शिक्षा मिलती है बच्चों कि कई बार जिन लोगों पे हम विश्वास करते हैं और वही हमें धोखा दे देते हैं, वही हमें बिट्रे कर देते हैं, और कई बार स्ट्रेंजर हमारे बहुत काम आते हैं। ओके चिल्ड्रन, that's all for this lesson. Thank you.